Welcome to J&J's test video of 9579. This is a 2000 Land Cruiser, 386,000 miles. Brakes feel a little soft. She's a little dinged and beat up here and there, but not bad. Frame's not terrible. Underneath isn't too bad. Can't see. Gate works, I think. Yeah, see the handles still work. Everything's there. Alright. 386,955. I think the hood's closed. Just like I'll test our vent windows. That one works. That one works. I had it once. Runs pretty good for 400K. There we go. We'll take it for a drive. Make sure the T-case works. See, it drives. Let's put it in low. Oh, sometimes the levers are froze. Oh yeah, that one hasn't been in low in a long time. That might not move. Try it one more time. It's probably seized down in there. Oh, yeah, that thing ain't going. I have to get down there and lubricate it. Reverse works, transmission works. Check the sunroof, see if it works. Radio works. I don't know if Andy checked the CD player. We'll check here. Tilt. Ooh, it's a little poppy. Look at that. That works out. Yeah, seems okay. Alright. Windows go up and down. She runs good. Holds oil pressure. Revs up real fast. Alright. As always, thank you for watching. And have your pets spayed and neutered.